This classic piece was broken, worn, and forgotten. But every scratch tells a story, and every tear can be mended. We start by honoring its history, carefully stripping back the layers to assess the damage within. The foundation is everything. We meticulously restore the frame, ensuring decades of future strength. New life is breathed into the core, replacing what's worn out with the finest materials for lasting comfort. The transformation is revealed as we clothe it in luxury, each stitch a promise of quality. With every detail perfected, the masterpiece is complete. The same sofa, but reborn, restoring not just furniture, but preserving stories and creating heirlooms for tomorrow.